Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing. Focus on the highest intent keywords and campaigns that already convert. Once done, verify conversion tracking is flawless. Make sure your primary goal is set so bidding learns correctly. Then implement immediate negative keywords to stop wasted spend. Finally, allocate budget floors to preserve data flow and choose a bidding strategy aligned to your goal. Maximize conversions, or CPA, so the system begins learning with useful signals. Next, you refine. Split campaigns by intent, device, and match type so performance signals become clear. This reduces noise. Once that structure exists, create tightly themed ad groups and test 3 headlines with 2 descriptions each. Use dynamic keyword insertions sparingly to boost relevance. Layer in audience targeting and adjust bids by time of day and device. This helps you prioritize high-value traffic. Monitor quality score shifts and search terms daily to iterate quickly. Finally, you scale winners methodically, raise budget by 10 to 20% weekly for proven keywords, and expand match types cautiously. Once scaled, set automated rules and anomaly alerts to catch sudden CPA spikes. Make sure reporting windows and attribution models align with your sales cycle so metrics stay meaningful. If conversions drop, first check tracking and attribution, then review search query coverage and negative keywords. This often resolves hidden blockers and restores.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.